So this was her house here.
Yeah. Apa namanya, blend with her small shop here.
So this is her shop.
Yeah.
Hi, Boo.
And then we demolish her house, but she wants still have a small shop.
Sure.
So we not demolish it, but she said after she have a lot of savings, she will rebuild this and then the look is same with her house.
Great.
Yeah. Bu, sini Bu. Bu, ini tamunya. Ya.
Hello, Boo. How are you? Good?
Apa kabar Bu? Baik.
Yeah.
Rumahnya udah ditinggalin? Udah Bu. Apa rasanya? Enak. She feel comfortable.
Oh.
Katanya kebocoran kalau hujan. She said if the rain comes, she feel really cold inside. In the old house.
Yeah.
But
Not now.
Yeah, now she said
Better?
better. And she not afraid anymore.